Welcome students. This lesson is Dve Vidye Veditave based on the previous video Vedas, Upanishads, Vedangas. This lesson is taken from the Mundaka Upanishad, which is from the Atharva Veda. Hope you would enjoy this video. Dhanyavad. Dve Vidye Veditavye. Two knowledge sets fit to be known. This lesson has 7 verses or padyams. It is not called shloka, it is from the Upanishads. This lesson is from Mundaka Upanishad from the Atharva Veda. Atharva Veda is composed by Atharva and Angiras, both rishis from the Vedic period. Atharva was Brahma's first son. The topic of this lesson is which knowledge is the best knowledge of all? This dhatu with plays very important role in this Dve Vidye Veditavye. Now, with means to understand. It is Adadigana Parasmaipati Sate, and it has a lot of meaning to comprehend, to guess, to know, to realize. With this pratyaya ngang, it becomes Veda. That's how we get Vedas. With Kyap pratyaya, we get the meaning Vidya. Yes, and with Tavya pratyaya, we get Veditavya. So, with Dhatu plays a very, very important role in this lesson, and the poet plays a lot of puns with this word in this lesson so that he tells us to understand, understand, understand. We are going to see the order and sequence in this lesson. What is happening in this lesson? The sort of story that I'm going to tell. The first part of the lesson deals with the transfer of the supreme knowledge, that is the knowledge of Brahman, from Brahma till down to Shaunak. The next part, Shaunak asks Angiras what is the best knowledge in the world. Angiras replies to him, there are two kinds of knowledge in the world, para and apara, that is high and low, or basically high and not so high. That is the meaning. Then he goes to say that para, that is the knowledge of para, deals with the knowledge of tat or that or akshara, immortal. Akshara means immortal. Then he goes on to tell what is this tat or akshara. Now he says it has no characteristics. Then he tells that from this tat or akshara, all the beings in this world has come. This is the sequence of this lesson. In this verse, we are going to see how Brahma transferred the knowledge of Brahman to his first son, Atharva. Om Brahma Devanam Pratamah Sambhavuva Vishwasya Karta Bhuvanasya Gopta Sa Brahma Vidya Sarva Vidya Pratishtam Atharvaya Jeshtaputraya Praha. Brahma was the first among the Devas, the creator of this universe, the protector of the world. He taught the knowledge of Brahman, on which all knowledge rests, to his eldest son Atharva. Om Brahma Devanam Pratamaha Sambhavuva Vishwasya Karta Bhuvanasya Gopta Sa Brahma Vidyam Sarva Vidya Pratishtam Atharvaya Jeshtaputraya Praha. Brahma or Brahma, the difference we are going to see. Why it is important means students keep writing Brahma for Brahma. Brahma is masculine, Brahma is neuter. Now Brahma is Chaturmukha and Virinchi, one of the Trinity gods in Sanatana Dharma or Hinduism. Brahman or Brahma is neuter gender. He is the reality or you can say one more name for that tat, that, or akshara, immortal in our Upanishads and Vedas. Now, even Brahma has come from Brahma. Everything has come from Brahma, that is Brahman. Both come from the dhatu br, to grow or to prosper. It's a very auspicious dhatu, bhavadi and set. And to it manin affix is added. So keep in mind, Brahman, Tat, Aksharam are some kind of names that are given to God in Upanishads and Vedas. Mundaka Upanishad begins with the auspicious syllable Om. Om, Pranava Mantra, Brahma, Brahma, Devanam of the gods, Pratamaha, first, Sambhabhuva, occurred by himself, Vishwasya of the worlds, of the universes, Karta, creator, Krudatu Trich Pratyaya, Bhuvanasya of the worlds, Gopta, protector, Saha, he, Brahma Vidyam, knowledge of the Brahman or reality. Brahmanaha Vidya Tam. Sarva Vidya Pratishtam. Sarva Vidyanam Pratishtaha Tam. The basis of all knowledge. Atharvaya, to Atharva, Chaturthi Vibhakti. Jeshta Putraya, to his elder son. Jeshtaha cha asau putraha tasmai. Praha, he said. Lat lakaro of Bhru Dhatu. Now, students, this kr plus trich, it is just an extra information so that you understand better. This is the word meaning. Om Brahma Devanam Pratamaha Sambhavuva Vishwasya Karta Bhuvanasya Gopta Sa Brahma Vidyam Sarva Vidya Pratishtam Atharvaya Jeshtaputraya Praha. अतर्वणे यां प्रवदेत ब्रह्मा अतर्वा तं पुरा उवाच अंगिरे ब्रह्मविद्यां स भारद्वाजाय सत्यवाहाय प्राह भारद्वाजोऽङ्गिरसे परावराम. With splitting, अतर्वणे यां प्रवदेत ब्रह्मा अतर्वा तं पुरा उवाच. Now this becomes Gunasandhi. Angire Brahma Vidyam Sa Bharadvajaya Satyavahaya Praha Bharadvajaha Angirase Purva Rupa Sandhi. Paravaram. That knowledge of Brahman which Brahma taught to Atharva, Atharva taught to Angira in ancient days, and then it taught to Satyavaha from Bharadvaja family, and Satyavaha taught it to Angiras. The knowledge so descended from the greater to the less. Now, there's a difference between Angir and Angiras. Kindly be careful about that. Atharvane Chaturthi Vibhakti Yam, that Dvitiya Vibhakti Srilinga Pravadeta told Vidiling Brahma. Brahma Pratama Vibhakti Atharva Atharva Pratama Vibhakti Tam, that Pura long ago Uvacha told Angire to Angir Brahma Vidya knowledge of reality. Saha he Angir Bharadvajaya Satyavahaya to Satyavaha Bharadvaja Chaturthi Vibhakti Praha says Brudatu Bharadvajaha Bharadvaja Angirase to Angiras Chaturthi Vibhakti Paravaram Parasmat Avarena Prapta, handed down from earlier to later times. This becomes an adjective or viseshna for Brahma Vidya. Now, Atharvane Kaha Brahma Vidyam Pravadeta Brahma. Atharva Kasmai ब्रह्मविद्यां प्रवदेत अंगिरे. भारद्वाजः कस्मै ब्रह्मविद्यां प्रवदेत अंगिरसे. Now कीदृशीं ब्रह्मविद्यां paravara, that which was handed down from earlier to later times. अथर्वणेयां प्रवदेत ब्रह्मा अथर्वा तं पुरा उवाच अंगिरे. ब्रह्मविद्यां स भारद्वाजाय सत्यवहाय प्राह भारद्वाजो angirase paravara. So in this padyam we saw how Brahmavidya was transferred from Brahma till Angiras. शौनको ह वै महाशालो अंगिरसं विधिवत् उपसन्नः पप्रच्छ कस्मिन्नो भगवो विज्ञाते सर्वमिदं विज्ञातं भवतीति. शौनकः ह वै महाशालः अंगिरसं पूर्वरूपसन्धि विधिवत् उपसन्नः जष्ट्वसन्धि पप्रच्छ कस्मिन् नो भगवः विज्ञाते सर्वम् इदं विज्ञातं भवति इति. Shaunaka, a great grihastha, having duly approached Angiras, questioned him, "What is that, O Bhagavan, which being known, all this becomes known?" Now, there was a great grihastha called Shaunak. He was associated with a functionary publication of the Bhagavatam. So, he was a Mahashala. So, he, observing the due protocol, he approached Angiras. What is that? Supposing you want to visit a minister, you have to fill certain application forms. Same way, he had to do certain rituals according to Vedas, Shaunaka, to ask Angiras, who's the second author of the Atharva Veda, which I have already mentioned. Now, why did he ask? In your 10th also, you would have made inquiries about what to study next. You would have asked a knowledgeable person. Same way, Shaunak is also asking. Shaunakaha Pratama Vibhakti. Ha and why are nipatas which have no meaning. They have to be discarded. Only for Chandas. Mahashalaha, the householder. Angirasam, to Angiras Vidya Vibhakti. Vidivat, Vidim Anatikrabya, according to rules. Upasanaha, approached. Upa, which means nearby. Sad Dhatu. And Ktha Pratyaya. Sad means to stay or stand. So Upasannaha, he approached. Papracha, he asked. Lit lakara, prich dhatu. What did he ask? Kasmin. While knowing what? No. Nipatat, not no meaning. Bhagavaha, O Lord. This is the word Bhagavan in Sambodhana. In Vedic times, this is allowed by Parni. Vijnate, while knowing. Kta pratyaya and Saptami Vibhakti. Vijnate, Sarvam, all. Idam, else. Vijnatam, known. Kta pratyaya, bhavati, becomes. Now, what is this? So, Shaunakaha, kam upasannaha angirasam. He approached, Shaunak approached Angiras. Khatam saha upasannaha. How did he approach? Vidhivat, according to rules and regulation. What did he ask? Kasmin no Vijnate Sarvamidam Vijnatam Bhavati. So we'll be having a doubt why this is in Saptami. So we'll see it. What is this Sati Saptami? The while of Sanskrit. I'm giving an example. Yada Dasharataha Mritaha Ramaha Vanam Gatavan. I'll put it in Sati Saptami. I'll remove the Yada. Dasharate Mrite. Both are in Saptami. Because Mritaha, the tha pratyaya becomes adjective for Dasharatha. So, while Dasharatha died, Dasharate Mrite, like Rama Shabda. At the time, what happened? Ramaha Vanam Gatavan. So, the first sentence, while this happened, first sentence, the whole sentence will become in Saptami. And this is called Sati Saptami. So, here what happened? Now, Shaunak is asking, Kaha Vijnataha. While, Kaha Vijnataha, what is being known? It is passive, Vijnataha. Now, Sarvam idam Vijnata Bhavati. At that time, everything becomes known. Why? This yada is there in the beginning of the sentence. So, I remove the yada and I put that kaha vijnataha, the first part of the sentence, in Sati Saptami. So, kaha in Saptami becomes kasmin, vijnataha in Saptami becomes vijnate. So, kasmin vijnate, sarvam idam, everything else, vijnatam bhavati iti. Everything else becomes known. So, this is called Sati Saptami, the while of Sanskrit. शौनको वै महाशालो अंगिरसं विधिवत् उपसन्नः पप्रच्छ कस्मिन्नु भगवो विज्ञाते सर्वम् इदं विज्ञातं भवति इति. तस्मै सहोवाच द्वे विद्ये वेदितव्येति ह स्म यद्ब्रह्मविदः वदन्ति परा चैवापरा च. To him he said, there are two sorts of knowledge to be acquired. So those who know the Brahman say, namely, para and apara, the higher and lower. Tasmai saha ha uvacha. Gunasandhi. Dve vidye veditavye iti ha sma yatta brahmavidaha. Jashtva sandhi. Vadanti para cha eva. Vriddhi sandhi. Apara, Savarna Dika Sandhi, Cha. So in this verse, we are seeing that Angiras is explaining to Shaunak which is the best knowledge. He says that those who know the Brahman say that there are two kinds of knowledge, higher and lower, para and apara. Tasmai, to him, Chaturthi Vibhakti Uvacha, he told, Dve, to Strilinga, Dvivachan, Vidye, knowledge sets, Strilinga Dvivachan, Veditavye, to be known, Tavyat Pratyaya, with plus Tavyat Pratyaya, Strilinga Dvivachan, Iti, thus, Hasma, Nipatas, yet, which, Brahmavidaha, those who know the reality, Brahmanam Veti iti, Vadanti, say, Para, highest, cha eva apara, not highest, cha. Para, it comes from the dhatu pr, to full or to nourish, and unadi affix. Apara, nai tat purusha, na plus para. Both are strilinga because they are the adjectives for vidya. Now, this is told by Angiras to Shaunak. Angiras kasmai uvacha Shaunakaya. Kim uvacha dve vidye veditave. What did he say? He said, two knowledge sets are fit to be known. Now, who has told about these two knowledge sets? Brahmavits. Who are Brahmavits? They have understood Brahma, not Brahma, Brahma. What is Brahma? Reality. And what are the two names of these vidyas? Para and Apara. तस्मै सहोवाच द्वे विद्ये वेदितव्ये इति हस्म यद्ब्रह्मविदः वदन्ति परा चैवापरा च. Thank you, dear students. The rest of the padyams will be done in the following video along with the exercises. Hope you have understood. You can contact us teachers for any kind of doubts with your feedback. Thank you.